Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Now today we are looking at another way to make money online, which has proven to be effective for many users. Now before you try to make money online from a couple of websites, it's always important to do some research. Now I come to Reddit because a lot of people put the truth out there and this would really help you. So here is what people are saying about this site that we're going to check out tonight. Now the site we're going to look at today is called ProductTube. So ProductTube is a website that helps you to get money, and it's more of an application. You can download it on the for the Apple, for the iPhone, and you could also get it on the Play Store. So it's pretty easy. Now people are saying that they are getting money online from ProductTube by just sitting at home and doing reviews of products. Now how this works, now go to Google and just type in ProductTube and you click on the first link. Now it takes you straight into the site and it's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. So shopping for groceries, and that's how you earn money. All of us are going to shop for groceries some way or the other, right? So we are always going to go to the store. A lot of people buy products every day. Now you may as well make use of this, because anyways you're going to make money on, you're going to spend money to purchase groceries, and you may as well make good use of this. Go to the site and take advantage of this opportunity where you could make money by shopping, and look for tasks that pay big. Right now there are tasks like, if you take a look here, there are a couple of tasks that say where you do a video on a bag of chips or shoe polish or soup and stuff like that. Now you also pay close attention that there is a deadline to submit the videos after doing a product review. Now anyways you're going to buy a couple of things. We all go to the supermarket to buy some cereal or pick up some stuff, some vegetables, fruits and whatever it may be, but now you may as well go and do a review. Just take a minute and do a review and get some extra money. Or the least that it could pay off for is that you don't have to pay for the product, because you could make money out of that, right? So it's pretty simple. So go to the site and see what ProductTube is and download the app. Now it says that you're ready to earn $100 each month, but to be realistic, they always say that, and probably if you are lucky you could. Now in some cases people are lucky and they get quite a bit of money online, but in some cases they are not. So just go through the site and have a look at how it works, right? And you get the rewards. So you could, we all buy stuff like toothpaste, and we all buy beverages and cereal and a lot of stuff. So go ahead and make use of this the next time you go to the supermarket, to the grocery store near your house. Just go and take a quick video. The interesting part is that you see that some people have got $430, so if you keep it to accumulate over a point of time, so that would give you some more money. The most interesting part is I've seen a couple of people say that they have $50 sitting in the account, and they have done both at home and in-store jobs. So download the app and dig into it. And I've also also checked some reviews on Google, and a lot of them have said that yes, it is legit, so you don't have to worry about that. So it wouldn't be much, but $40 a month or $50 a month, and then if you calculate that for the year, you could probably earn $1,000 a year. So that's how you make money out of side hustles. Small cash. Eventually it becomes huge. Let it collect there, and anyways you're going to buy stuff, may as well make money with it. I hope that helped. So try your hand at this, and thank you for your time, and I will see you all on the next video.